I'm meteorologist Carlo Falco here in the Fox 7 Austin Severe Weather Center. A tornado watch has just been issued for this yellow highlighted area and includes almost the entirety of the Austin viewing area. It does not include Mason County. However, the tornado watch should be expanded farther to the west, and if it does not get expanded to the west, it will certainly be covered by a severe thunderstorm watch. This tornado watch will extend all the way through until 10 p.m. and it is for strong and severe thunderstorms which are expected to form into the hill country and move off to the east as we go throughout the remainder of the evening. This is what I'm expecting the storms to look like. You can see right around 4:15 p.m. not a whole lot happening right here, but this is as a dry line is going to be moving through Gillespie County, moving through Fredericksburg and Llano County, heading into Blanco County, and once it gets into Blanco County and it gets to about Highway 281, which extends from Blanco all the way through into Lampasas, going through Burnett County, that's where I'm expecting these showers and thunderstorms to form, rapidly start to rotate and become severe. Once they do become severe, think right about here, about 5:30 p.m., you can see these goofy looking cellular type of thunderstorms. These are going to push up towards the north and east, and these are kind of weird looking because they're going to be rotating. Each and every one of these little showers and thunderstorms has the potential to produce very large hail, up to about golf ball or even baseball sized hail, 60 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts, and a tornado or two, some of which those tornadoes could be long track, damaging, very dangerous tornadoes. These storms will approach the Austin Metro, should get to I-35, the I-35 corridor, by about 6 to about 7 p.m. This model here showing it right around 6:15 to 6:30. These storms will be very intense. We're talking frequent lightning, very strong winds, that very large hail threat, and in some instances, the case for a tornado on the ground. These will push up towards the north and northeast, and they will be moving pretty quickly. I'm expecting storm motion in the vicinity between 30 to 50 miles per hour, and these storms will have very strong winds. Again, that severe hail threat up to about baseball size, and also that tornado threat. The good news is as these storms move off to the east, the hail threat goes down. The bad news, as they move to the east, the tornado threat goes up, especially as we go later into the evening. As we go later into the evening, what's called the low-level jet is really going to surge. This is some low-level, very strong winds, which will enhance the rotation of these storms as they push on up towards the north and northeast. That will increase the potential for these thunderstorms to produce a tornado, keep it on the ground as it moves on up towards the north and northeast. By about 7 p.m., we're still seeing these weird-looking thunderstorms. You can see by Bastrop, this model is picking up on a supercell thunderstorm moving through Bastrop County up towards Giddings. Also some very intense thunderstorms departing Williamson County to our north and northeast, and all these storms will continue to be problems as they depart towards the north and northeast. The good news is by about 7 p.m., Austin and I-35 are basically out of the danger zone. The bad news is everything gets worse as it moves off to the east. So friends and family who do live in East Texas and Northeast Texas, please let them know to do not take any of these thunderstorms for granted. If there is a tornado warning, seek your safe spot immediately. The good thing for you to know right now is where that safe spot is right now. Over the next 12 hours, we are expecting those showers and thunderstorms to move through the Austin Metro right about here between 4 and about 7 p.m. That is your window. Off to the east, the rainfall chances and storm chances basically shift off slightly, but basically we are done between 8 to 9 p.m. as everything departs to the east. Talking about severe weather, there is an enhanced risk, for Burnett County and Blanco County, a moderate risk for Austin, I-35, all the way down to San Marcos into the eastern two-thirds of Hays County, and then for the remainder of our viewing area to the east of I-35, you're in that moderate risk. This is a significant development because this is 4 out of a scale of 5. This does not happen very often, and the Storm Prediction Center specifically mentions that in a moderate risk, tornado outbreaks are possible. This is especially true when the tornado risk is 15% up towards the north and northeast, up towards Rockdale. It's about 10%. That means that each individual storm that does form, that is rotating, which is going to be all of the storms that do form, has a 10% chance to produce a tornado. That is extremely high and very, very dangerous. So please, keep an eye to the weather, keep an eye to the sky, pay attention to Fox 7, make sure your severe weather alerts are on, and know where you need to go if a tornado warning is issued for your area. You can get these warnings by watching Fox 7 as we go throughout the remainder of the evening into tonight, and then also your phone will alert you if there is an extreme warning like a tornado. Hail threat, this is also high. You can see the pink area right here. It's a high risk for hail, as we are expecting golf ball to possibly even baseball-sized hail as these thunderstorms develop in the hill country and intensify as they move across central parts of Travis County, Williamson County, and Hayes County, and then continue to intensify as they move across the remainder of our counties in our viewing area. The golf ball sized hail will damage cars. Baseball sized hail will do extreme damage to cars. You do not want to be outdoors in any of these hail situations. Severe weather impacts, again, golf ball or larger hail, possibly up to baseball size, 60 to 80 mile-per-hour winds, which could also blow that golf ball hail sideways, potentially damaging siding of houses, and then also going through windows of your house. And then we're also going to have to watch the chance for a real chance for strong tornadoes possible. So you need to know your severe weather plan right now. Make sure you charge your cell phones and weather radios, stay weather aware, and turn on extreme alerts as we go throughout the rest of this evening.